This little gecko might not look very graceful, but engineering researchers are using its less than elegant jumping technique to build a leaping robot. The gecko jumps well enough, but when it lands, it hits head first, smacking hard against a tree before its tail and back feet stabilize it. Here's what the study's authors had to say about the little lizard's uncanny ability. Landing from flight is difficult. We hope our findings will lead to new techniques for robot mobility. Sometimes crashes are helpful, and apparently that's true. They copied the technique with this soft robot, and it works. But the researchers say it's all about the tail. Even though the soft bot is equipped with highly adhesive feet, this is what happens when they built one of them without the tail. It falls right off. But when landing with the long tail, it hits after the head rocks back, eliminating much of the kinetic force from the impact. With the researchers adding, quote, "Our soft robotic lander not only helps to make an impact in another field, but it can also help improve robot locomotion by increasing robustness and simplifying control."